Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a modded version of the game Mech. So this is for iOS and Android, guys. So I'm going to open it up and show you guys what's going on with our Mech account. And then I'm going to show you guys how to download the modded version. So as you can see, guys, we are not exactly the richest players, but when we press this button, we can actually turn on unlimited coins. So I'm going to turn it on right here and let's see if the coins go up, and then I'm going to show you how to get this modded version of Mech for your device. So let's just give it a second for this to load. As you can see, guys, it's pretty bad right now, but hopefully it does start going up. And as you can see, there we go. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this modded version of Mech for your device. So let's get straight into the tutorial. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So the first thing we need to do is get on our phone and go to this website, which is tweakmod.com. So let me just type this in because this website is so cool. So on this site, you're going to find a number of modded apps. So what I want you to do is go to the search bar, type in Mech, press install, and before it downloads, there's going to be a verification step. So this is the last step. So what we have to do is download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. And you can see the Apple and Android logos, so it does work on both, which is awesome. So let's just give it a second for this to load up here, as you can see. All right, so here we go. So let's see what happens, my gang. All right, so as you can see, guys, it's going to say missing files, additional files are required for Mech. So this is the last step. We just need to download 2 of these apps, which are the additional files. So we could do Travel Town, which says reach level 9, TikTok, which says down run for 30 seconds. So just pick a couple of them, press on it, press continue. It'll take you to the App Store, and you just got to play it until you reach like level 10 or whatever. At least that is the case with this one. This Travel Town, where I got to reach level 10, guys. So all I would do is just go ahead and play through this right here, and then I will be rich on Mech. So I just got to run through this, as you can see, just doing some basic interactions, playing around with it. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just like playing through it. So anyway, guys, once you're done, just go back to the list, and we're going to download some more apps. So we got TikTok, Mode Casino. So there's a video to watch if you're confused, but that's how to get rich on Mech, guys. So this fully works 2026. So let's go to the App Store and type in Mech just so I can show you guys how bad this is. So as you can see, here's the game, and you don't need the normal game installed. This is a separate modded version, but as you can see, guys, it is so expensive. So if you want to spend money on this game, that's up to you. But chances are, guys, you're not about that. So yeah, this is super awesome, guys. So be sure to try it out if you guys want to get rich in Mech. So yeah, this is fully working, guys. Super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe, and make sure you go to settings and go to background app refresh and make sure that's on. And then go to battery and make sure low power mode is turned off. That is very bad, guys, to have low power mode on. But other than that, you should be good to go. So that's how to download this modded version of Mech onto your device. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, because this is super cool and it totally works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super insane, guys. And you can actually get rich from this, which is wild. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. And yeah, subscribe. Tell your friends about it. It's super cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, get the word out. This is super awesome. And there's no jailbreak needed or anything like that. So peace out.